Ever felt like you have a million things spinning around in your head, but nothing's actually getting done? If you're nodding frantically right now, then you, my friend, are in desperate need of a project management tool. There are tons of options out there, each promising to be the ultimate key to organization and productivity. But with so many choices, how do you know which one is right for you? Well, today we're diving deep into Asana, a popular project management platform used by millions. But before we explore all the bells and whistles, let's get down to brass tacks. What is Asana best used for? From personal projects to team powerhouses, the beauty of Asana lies in its versatility. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients or a team lead overseeing a complex project, Asana can adapt to your specific needs. For the solopreneur, Asana can be your personal command center. Imagine a digital space where you can break down large goals into manageable tasks, set deadlines, and track your progress. Need to finally launch that website you've been dreaming about? Create a project in Asana, list out the steps involved, from domain registration to design. Assign due dates, and watch your dream transform into reality, one completed task at a time. But Asana truly shines when it comes to team collaboration. Imagine a world where everyone is on the same page, literally. With Asana, you can create shared projects, assign tasks to specific team members, and keep everyone in the loop with comments and updates. No more scrambling to figure out who's working on what or missing deadlines because someone forgot about that crucial meeting. Boosting productivity with powerful features. So, how exactly does Asana help you achieve this collaborative utopia? Here are a few of its key features that make it a productivity powerhouse. List, board, and calendar views. Asana offers multiple project views to cater to different work styles. Prefer a classic to-do list? The list view is your jam. Need a visual representation of your workflow? The board view lets you move tasks around like digital sticky notes. And for those who thrive on deadlines, the calendar view provides a clear picture of upcoming due dates. Subtasks and dependencies. Breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks is key to staying focused and motivated. Asana allows you to create subtasks within a main task, making complex projects less daunting. Plus, you can set dependencies between tasks, ensuring a logical flow and preventing roadblocks. Communication and feedback. Collaboration is all about clear communication. Asana facilitates this through comments, attachments, and at mentions. Team members can discuss tasks, share files, and provide feedback directly within the platform, eliminating the need for endless email threads or confusing back-and-forth conversations. Mobile app. Let's face it, life doesn't always happen at our desks. The Asana mobile app keeps you connected to your projects and team on the go. Whether you're checking in on a task during your commute or making a quick update from a client meeting, Asana ensures you can stay productive no matter where you are. Is Asana right for you? Asana is a fantastic project management tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Here are a few things to consider before diving in. Learning curve. As with any new tool, there's a slight learning curve to using Asana effectively. However, its intuitive interface and readily available resources make it easy to pick up. Free versus paid plans. Asana offers a free plan with generous features, perfect for individuals or small teams. However, for larger teams or those needing more advanced functionality, paid plans offer additional features like increased storage and custom fields. Asana is a powerful and versatile project management tool that can benefit anyone looking to stay organized, boost productivity, and collaborate effectively. Whether you're a freelancer drowning in to-dos or a team leader overseeing complex projects, Asana can help you achieve your goals and transform your workflow. So, is Asana right for you? If you're looking for a way to take control of your workload, streamline communication, and achieve more with your time, then the answer is a resounding yes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.